Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738 481382, and today we have a 2018 Ford Focus LZ hatch. Stock reference number 3936. The shape runs from the 10th month 2014 through to the 11th month 2018. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right-hand fog light with surround. Left-hand rear door appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. Left tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type, spoiler type tailgate with camera. Appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage, and a right-hand side skirt. Right power door mirror indicator, puddle light lamp type, and right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, factory sat nav Sony CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's only done 7,000 Ks, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.